In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Payoneer app from Google Play Store. If you're struggling to install this business payment app, then just follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, you need to go back to your Google Play Store app, and here it is. Tap on it to open and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download the app. If you are already logged in but unable, then go to this profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, choose network preferences, and under this, go to app download preference. Here, choose this first option over any network to ensure you can download any app via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, just tap on OK and go back, try to install your apps. However, if this doesn't work, then go back to your Google Play Store and we need to access this app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and you can see we have app info here, or if you don't see this, you should have a settings gear. But should this be missing, you can also access Google Play Store app info page through settings. If you go to settings, just look for apps and then all apps or manage apps, and from here search for Play Store. And you can see Google Play Store is here and we are on the Google Play Store app info page. First, force stop the app to stop any background activities that might be hindering smooth performance. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. Finally, confirm by clicking on OK. Now you need to restart your smartphone, and once you're done, now go to Play Store and activate search, then search for your app by name, and here it is. And finally click on install to see if you can now install the app. Now, as you can see, I'm now able to download this app from Google Play Store. However, at this point, if you are still having any challenge, then you might want to check on space. If you don't have enough space, clear up space before you can download and install this business payment solution app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.